White labeling goes beyond branding. It's about creating a smoother, more intuitive experience for your clients and for you. What we're really trying to do is make even the non-technical crowd comfortable making minor improvements to their sites. White labeling will make your sites more client-friendly, resulting in less confusion, better customer satisfaction, and less one-off annoying support requests post-launch. So let's get started. Before we get started with the white label settings for Beaver Builder, I'm just going to show you really quick what I've already set up on this site. These are the plugins that I've installed: Assistant Pro, Beaver Builder, Page Builder plugin, Unlimited version, and White Label CMS. Now keep in mind that you will need to be using the unlimited version of the Beaver Builder Page Builder plugin to access the white label settings. I've also installed the Beaver Builder theme, and I've created a template that's going to replace the default WordPress user dashboard. I have a handful of items in my media library, and these are just the images that I use to create my custom dashboard template, as well as images that are going to be used to replace the Beaver Builder branding. All right, let's go ahead and swap out all the Beaver Builder branding with the branding for this demo. Now we're going to navigate to our sidebar settings and select Beaver Builder. And from our Beaver Builder settings page, we are going to select branding. Now we are just going to fill out the fields here like so. If you are wondering how to get the file URLs for your images, just go to your media browser and click on the piece of media. And there you can copy the URL. Let's also take a look at the dimensions for the logo images I'm using. For the theme image, I've got that set at 881 by 661 pixels. The Page Builder logo is set to 152 by 152 pixels. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our branded theme. And let's also take a look at our branded Page Builder. I'll just zoom in here to show you the branding on the back end. And we see my logo has replaced the Beaver Builder logo. Now regarding the theme branding, we never really work off a parent theme in WordPress. We always have a parent theme and a child theme. So let's use this handy dandy little tool created by PowerPack to generate a child theme that aligns with our branding. These settings are all very straightforward. I have just entered a name, author, and homepage into the fields, and uploaded an image for my thumbnail image. Now I'll just upload my child theme to my site and make that the active theme. Now we have a fully branded Page Builder theme and child theme. So looking here at the default WordPress dashboard, there's a lot of stuff going on here that clients don't need to see, and what we can do to better make use of this space is to create a custom Beaver Builder template, and we can use White Label CMS to stick our custom template onto this dashboard. So I whipped up a template here for this demo, and I've provided a link to this template on Beaver Builder's Template Cloud Assistant Pro. But really, you can put anything onto the dashboard, like useful links or tutorials for performing common tasks. Of course, this can change case by case. Different clients are going to have different needs and levels of involvement with this site. So anyhow, let's just move ahead with our custom dash. I'm going to open up the White Label CMS settings panel here over on the sidebar. Now, before we go to the dashboard, we also have some really great settings here on the main branding tab, definitely worth exploring. But let's not get too sidetracked. Let's go ahead and move into the dashboard tab and get our custom dashboard cooking. This is not complicated. All we need to do is turn off the default content with this toggle switch and select our Beaver Builder template. On the first visit, you will need to X out this welcome message, but this is what our new custom dashboard looks like. And there is just one oversight. I would like this text here that says dashboard to not be there. So let's go back and change our settings real quick. The next thing I want to demo for you in this video is how to turn off menu items for clients. Let's go into the menu settings tab and turn on this hide menus toggle. Now anyone that has this toggle switch off is going to see the limited menu that I'll be setting up below. Now I'll switch over to my client user demo account. So you can see this user now has a limited amount of menu options. Now we are going to create a custom login screen. So let's go to the login tab of the White Label CMS setting page. I'm going to be simplistic here and just replace the WordPress logo and switch up the background color. Now let's head back to our client user account to check out our new branding. Well, I hope you had a good time with this course. We have a full course library to help make learning WordPress and Beaver Builder a positive experience, as well as a fantastic YouTube channel, a blog we update frequently, and numerous user groups including Slack, Facebook, and Discord. I hope to see you there. By the way, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!